going on, everybody? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're going to be out here in Oak Leaf, Texas. We're going to be checking out this customer's nice looking ag barn right behind me. But very quickly, kind of want to go over how we got to this point. After the customer has ordered their metal structure and the subcontractors have arrived with their truck and trailer, they're going to be checking out your concrete pad. They're going to be making sure that it's square, level, and if it does have a notch detail, make sure that it's all good to go. After that, they're going to start putting down the base rail of your building. Essentially, that's going to be the map of your structure, letting us know where all the doors go and what your truss spacing is going to be. Then we're going to install some concrete anchors through the base rail of your building to the concrete pad, securing your building to the concrete pad. After that, we're going to start putting up the legs of your metal building. At American Steel Carports, legs can be anywhere from 25 foot tall up to 6 foot tall, our standard size. On this metal building right behind me, it does going to have 11 foot tall legs here in the center, and then it's going to have 8 foot tall legs on the sides. After that, we're going to get up on the roof. We're going to start laying down the hat channel of your roof and then put down the roof panels as well. After that, we're going to start putting the siding of your metal building. This customer did decide to go ahead and get white and black wainscot, and it does look really nice on this metal building. After that, we're going to start putting up the roll-up doors, the windows, and the walk-in doors of your metal building, essentially all the accessories that the customer has paid for. And then lastly but not least, we're going to start trimming out everything, the doors, windows, roll-up doors, the siding, the wainscot, and then the trim along the roof line as well. Make sure everything looks really nice. And then after that, your building is done. Alrighty guys, now that we have gone over all of that, let's go check out this customer's nice looking ag barn. Alrighty guys, so now let's check out this structure right behind me. In the center here, he does have a 30 feet wide by 40 foot long and 12 foot tall legs, in the center here. And then on the lean-tos, he does have two equal sections of 12 foot wide, 40 foot long, connected to the main building here at 11 foot tall. That goes all the way down to 8 on the sides. On the front here, you're gonna see he does have these 4 black roll-up doors. That's gonna be the coal black color. On the 2 main ones here in the center, he's gonna have the 10 by 10s. And then on the 2 lean-tos, they are gonna be the 9 by 7s. These are gonna be the ones that you can open from the outside. So that is why you see that these do have the latch on the outside. And these are the ones that don't have the chain hoist on the inside. So not necessarily you need a walk-in door for these, but the customer did decide to get 2 36 by 80 walk-in doors on this metal building. And he also has several windows. Looks really nice. The colors on this metal building is going to be black for the upper on the sides. And then the customer decided to get the black wainscot here at the bottom to match the roll-up doors. Trim work as well. And the roof is all going to be the black color. Looks very nice. Alright guys, now that we have a chance to look at the outside of the structure, let's go on the inside and see what it looks like inside. Alright guys, now here's the inside of the structure. The customer did decide to get all vertical panels on this metal building. Also, he upgraded to the 26 gauge. Normally our structures come with 29 gauge for the panels. Because of the vertical panels that the customer did get, he also decided to get fully insulated on this metal building. So you're going to see it all along the roof line and the siding as well. Also, because these panels are vertical for the siding, you're going to see that the customer does have the girts all along the siding of the building and the end walls as well. And then, like again, on metal buildings that have vertical roofs, he's going to have the hat channels that run from the length of the structure, providing much needed support. Looks very good. Also, I know we haven't had a lot of ag barns on this channel, but I did kind of want to go over that when you do get a metal ag barn that has sections, typically you're going to have your center section and then the 2 lean-tos. But because of that, just know that in between the 2 sections here, you're going to have the base rail of the center section in between the 2. So typically that's not going to be a problem for most customers. Most customers are aware of that because the lean-to structure has to connect to something. But if that is going to be a problem and you do need the clearance to move in and out from the center section to the lean-to, just make sure to ask American Steel Carports or your local dealer for some headers so that you can eliminate the legs in between the 2 and you can walk easily in and out. Alright guys, here's a closer look at the windows that the customer did get. They're going to be the 30 by 30 inch windows that we offer. Customer did get 6 of them on this metal building, 3 on each lean-to. Here you can also have a closer look at the girts that the vertical building is going to have on the siding here. Here is a closer look at the 36 by 80 inch walk-in door that the customer did get. This one's going to be made out of fiberglass And also remember, these doors will have a threshold when being installed, so that means that they are going to sit on the base rail. So if that is going to be an issue, just know that you can get rid of the base rail when you order one of the 36 by 84 or the 48 by 84 heavy duty walking doors. And as you can see here, currently the customer is going to be using this building for storage. He already has 2 of his project vehicles inside. I know that he's going to be moving a lot more stuff in here. He did have a building where the roof collapsed because of a tree fell on it, so he's going to be moving a lot of that stuff into this building. So just kind of giving you an idea of what all you can store in this building. He already has 2 vehicles and he has a lot of room for a lot more stuff. Alright guys, that's it for us today. Thank you to this customer for letting us check out their metal ag barn. Don't forget to share and like this video, and please leave us some comments down below. Let us know what you want to see in the future, and let us know of any questions and concerns that you have. This has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.